Cain Owen yn ei chrimanu ddim mewn o dan y bar. Will Fuller yn dyrnu'n glir. Baker yn methu clirio. Mae nôl gan Cain Owen. Pwysau cynnar effeithiol at Mickey George. George yn croesi mewn i'r gwr Cosby. A Jeffries sy'n rwydo. Y bel yn dod yn y diwedd. Oddi ar un o amddiffynwyr y Met. Munud a hanner yn unig ar y cloc. Pen-y-bont 1, Met Caerdydd dim. I ni chwarae mlaen, Mantais yn cael ei chwarae, ond anaf i'r pen i Emlyn Lewis a rwystredigaeth fan hyn i Pen-y-bont. Wel, Mantais oedd i Pen-y-bont, ond oedd e'n anaf i'r pen a David Morgan yn gorfod rwystro'r chwarae. Oedd Nathan Wood yn glir i mewn. Wel, cerdyn melyn i Emlyn Lewis, felly mi oedd yna drosedd yn wreiddiol. Dyna pham o'n i'n chwarae Mantais. A mae David Morgan yn dod draw fan hyn. A mae Martin Giles yn derbyn cerdyn melyn a mi ymateb e. Bors tu fewn at Cain Owen. Owen rhes o chwaraewyr mewn glas. Mickey George yn rhydd. Cyfle fan hyn i groesi. Mewn teg at Wood. Am gyfle i ddyblu Mantais Pen-y-bont. Symudiad hyfryd gan y tîm cartre. Nathan Wood, oedd amser gyda fe i gymryd cyffyrddiad. Nath e gymryd e ar y cyffyrddiad cynta, heibio'r postyn. Griffiths yn troi yn gelfydd, heibio i Emlyn Lewis. Lewis yn glynu at y dasg. Wallow yn ei sgubo i mewn. Os na dynnu fan ar Harling. Harling yn troi. Ac mae'n drydydd gol mewn tair gêm i Lewis Harling. Pen-y-bont yn dyblu Mantais. A fel y gwnaethon nhw yn yr hanner cynta, 2 funud sydd wedi chwarae yn yr ail. Edwards yn chwilio am y bel hir lawr o Sianel Will Evans sydd yn o gynta. Evans yn rhoi pwysau ymlaen. Mae dal gan Will Evans nôl at Elliot Evans. Ond yn tynnu ergyd heibio'r postyn. Cyfle gorau'r gêm i'r myfyrwyr.
Rhys, a thoroughly deserved victory this evening and a critical 3 points again in the race to stay in the Cymru Premier.
Yeah, just one game, just 3 points. We can't get carried away. Obviously, we were elated at the end there, as you'd expect. You know, they're a good side. To get 3 points against Met, who are probably the best side, or considered the best side in the bottom half, is big for us. So I thought first half we were excellent. I wouldn't say it was a masterclass because that would be daft, but we were excellent first half. And then second half, we were excellent without the ball, and I didn't think they created much, if I'm honest.
Credit to Pen-y-bont. They showed every characteristic that you need when you're down the bottom fighting, and they did that today. We were second best all over the park. I've got no qualms of the fixture. Our play got us what we deserved. I think we tested the goalkeeper. I don't think we won second balls. We were off. We were awful, but that was because Pen-y-bont were better than us.
And it's Airbus away next up and another 6-pointer.
Yeah, well, they've got a big game tomorrow with Carmarthen, and I don't think there's a bad result for us there or a good one, really. You know, it's going to be nip and tuck all the way, but it's over to those two now, and you know, we just got to keep doing our thing and hope they don't do theirs.
In the 12 years I've been involved, there's not many times I can turn around and question the players. And what I asked them tonight in the dressing room is to think about, you know, the desire and the character that you need to finish 7th. If teams are showing that for us to try and stave off relegation, we've got to show that exact desire for 7th, because it's going to be a real battle for that 7th spot.
And talking about that battle, it doesn't get any bigger than Druids home next week.
Yeah, Druids, you know, we've had some real ding-dong battles against them in the 4 years being the Welsh Prem. You know, we've gone to a final there and lost. We've beat them in the league. We've lost in the league, and they're a good club. They came up with us 4 years ago, and no doubt it'll be a ding-dong battle next Saturday as well.